Panoorin mo.
Happy birthday. Hope you're having a good day so far. We really, really miss you down under, and we hope to see you soon. Know that we miss you every single day, and I miss you every single second of the day. Know that I'm just a BBM, a call and text message away, and I hope to see you soon and everyone else. Yeah, I love you out there. Bye. Happy birthday out there. I just wanted you to know that I really miss you, and I hope that you have a great birthday, and I love you.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. I miss you. I wish you all the best in the future and more blessings to come, more projects to come. And really miss you. And I love you, Papa. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ann! We all love you from down under. Bye!
Yan, Ann, hindi pa tapos ang lahat dahil ito pa.
Of course, kay Jazzy, I love you and I miss you so much. Wala na akong katabi sa kama ko, kaya namimiss ko talaga yung baby sister ko. Nakita ko finally si Gino, baby Gino, Auntie Gemma, Mom, Balong, I miss you. Ang laki-laki mo na.